Di Dictionaries. A dictionary is like a list but more general. In a list, the indices have to be integer. In a dictionary, they can be almost any type. You can think of a dictionary as a mapping between a set of indices, which are called key, and a set of values. Each key maps to a value. The associations of a key and a value is called a key value pair or sometimes an items. And an example, we will build a dictionary that maps for English to Spanish words. So the key and the value are all string. The functions dict create a new dictionary with no items because dict is the name of a built-in function. You should avoid using it as a variable name. Dictionary as a set of countries. Suppose you are giving a string and you want to count how many times each letter appears. There are several ways you could do it. You could create 26 variables, one for each letter of the alphabet, when you could traverse the string, and for each character insert the corresponding counter, probably using a chained conditional. You could create a list with 26 elements. Then you could convert each character to a number. Using the built-in function order, use the number as an index into the list and insert the appropriate counter. You could create a dictionary with characters as key and counter as the corresponding values. The first time you see a character, you could add an item to the dictionary. After that, you could insert the value of an existing item. Each of these options perform the same computation, but each of them implement that compounding. In a different way, in implementation is a way of performing a computation. Some implementations are better than there are. For example, an advantage of the dictionary implementations is that you don't have to know ahead of the time which letter appear in the string, and we only have to make room for the letters that do appear. Reverse lookup. Given a dictionary D and EA K, it is easy to find the corresponding value vehicle to D. This operation is called a lookup. But what if we have a V and you want to find key? You have two problems. First, there might be more than one key that maps to the value V. Depending on the applications, you might be able to pick one, or you might have to make a list that contains all of them. Second, there is no simple syntax to do a reverse loop. You have to research